In this video I will talk about how to play Speed Duel, and this will be the last video of how to play Yu-Gi-Oh game. I covered all topics that you can learn trading card game. Let's begin. Speed Duel is a quick duel. You will get 4000 LP, 4 cards in the starting hand, 20 to 30 cards in the main deck, 5 cards in the extra deck, 2 extra monster zones. Each player has 3 main monster zones, 3 spell & trap zones, and 1 field zone. The available monster and spell & trap zones are those in the second to fourth column. Therefore, the pendulum zones are not present. Like a normal duel, the first player doesn't draw on their first turn. The hand size limit is 6. Both players can have an active field spell card, and there can only be 3 cards with the same name in both the main deck and the extra deck. Also, there is no main phase 2, so you end your turn after battle phase. Speed dueling features 4 basic card types: monster cards, spell cards, trap cards, and skill cards. The goal is to summon powerful monsters, power them up with spell or trap cards, and battle your opponent. These cards are only legal on Speed Duel format and cannot be used on other formats. Skill cards are not placed in the main deck, and currently there is no specified zone on the field where skill cards can be placed. Each player can only have 1 skill card during a duel. Before the start of the duel, each player places their skill card face down in front of them, where both players can see the character but not the actual skill being used. However, some skill cards have specific instructions on where to place that card that is written on its backside. Skill card effects do not use the chain when activating and cannot be responded to once the activation requirements of the skill card are met. And there are no cards resolving on the chain. The player can announce the activation of the skill, flip the card over, and resolve it. And that is that. I hope that I cover all videos that teach you how to play Yu-Gi-Oh trading card game. Next week I will make video about major channel update.